In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bulk enroll users in LearnWorlds quickly and efficiently. Whether you're managing a course with hundreds of students or just want to save time on manual enrollment, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Stick around, because by the end, you'll also learn about a competitor that might actually be a better fit for your needs. Let's jump right into it. First thing you need to know is that LearnWorlds does have a bulk enrollment feature, but it's a bit hidden and can be tricky to find if you don't know where to look. The key is going into your admin panel, then navigating to the Users section. From there, you'll see the option to upload users via a CSV file. This is the best way to bulk enroll, especially if you're dealing with a large group of students. Next thing, make sure your CSV file is properly formatted. You need to include all the essential information like the student's name, email, and the courses they're being enrolled in. It sounds simple, but if the file format isn't right, it'll fail to upload properly. So, double check your file before moving on. The third thing to keep in mind is that LearnWorlds allows you to add users to multiple courses at once. So if you're managing a bundle of courses, this is incredibly helpful. You can simply specify which courses each student will be enrolled in within the same CSV. This step really saves a lot of manual work. The fourth thing to consider is how LearnWorlds handles course access. Once your CSV file is uploaded and the users are enrolled, they'll automatically have access to the courses you've designated for them. However, there's no way to fully automate email notifications, so you'll need to send them a separate message with their login details and instructions. Now, let's talk about what LearnWorlds is lacking. While it's nice that you can bulk upload users, the process isn't as seamless as it could be. The CSV formatting and the lack of automation for emails can be a real hassle, especially when you're trying to enroll a large group. If you're looking for a more streamlined solution with fewer manual steps, this might not be your best option. Next, let's talk alternatives. After testing LearnWorlds, we found that a competitor software does the bulk enrollment process much more smoothly. This competitor not only supports bulk enrollment, but also includes automated email notifications and more flexible course management tools that could save you a lot of time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you stick around until the end, I'll tell you how you can get an exclusive extended free trial to this alternative software and how it might be a better fit for your specific needs. You'll also get access to some special benefits that are only available through our link. Before we wrap up, I want to make sure you know that you're not just limited to LearnWorlds. There are plenty of great alternatives out there that offer a much more automated bulk enrollment experience, and some even provide better course management features. So, be sure to check the link in the description for more information and to grab that exclusive offer. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the link in the description for the best deal available for LearnWorlds competitor. It's an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss, and it could be exactly what you need to streamline your user enrollments. Thanks for watching.